We seem to be having a little bit of rain. It's a little inclement weather. It started about 15 minutes ago and the pool's just gone up at least 6 inches. It's actually overflowing over the edge of the pool. Over the guttering. It's not very nice out there. Thunder and lightning. The dogs, well, 2 of the dogs are terrified, the rest aren't. But that guttering there's overflowing as well. That never usually happens there, and you've never seen that before. Oh my gosh, we have really got a lot of rain. Oh, on the phone as well. Ay, ay, ay. So, yeah, the pool, right up the top. We were having a barbecue, so I've had to bring it under the cover. Oh, so flashy, flashy lightning. Oh, it's all looking. Yeah, it's bad. Oh, come back! One of the birds that live under here. Look, they're going out. They must be crazy. Come back, little birds. You get lost.